How to sign up One4all account. Open any browser of your choice. Click on the search bar. Type in www.oneforall.com. Press enter. You'll be led to the official website of One4all. Click on the option Create an account that you can see on the screen. Now you can create the account for yourself. You can create the account with Google, or you can also enter your details right over here. Click on the filter first name and enter the first name. Now enter the last name over here. Provide the phone number. Select the country code. There are only 3 countries available. Click on the option of your choice. Now enter your phone number over here. Make sure to provide the correct phone number. Scroll down. You'll have to provide the sign-in information. Enter your email over here. Confirm the email address. Now enter the password for yourself. Make sure to create a very strong password. Once you do that, confirm the password. Simply re-enter the password. Once you do that, scroll down. You can stay up to date by simply checking on these boxes if you want. Otherwise, you can scroll down, click on the option Create an account. Right now, I do not have valid mobile number of these countries, so I am not being able to proceed. But after you do that, all you have to do is follow through the prompts in order to create the account for yourself. Your One4all account will easily be created. Like this, you can sign up One4all account. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.